This is almost a $700,000 window sticker Phantom. This black on forged yellow is ridiculous. The color pops so hard with the yellow and the black. Full Mansory kit on this one, forged carbon fiber everywhere again. Got the whole hood, got the front bumper, got full fender replacement. We got the side skirts, rear bumper, all the wings in the back. Incredible looking car. Full black out on this one as well because it had chrome all over it. It has that full forged yellow interior with the headliner even yellow. It even has a crazy yellow details inside the dashboard that I've never seen on this before. So a lot of yellow going on the inside. That's why we incorporated all the yellow on the outside. Custom hand pinstripe. It says Mansory right there. This is using the original Mansory stencil that Mansory actually sends you. So this is like the original way to do it. You got the black and yellow emblems, of course. RTV paints those perfection. The wheels have yellow all over them, as you can see. These are the fenders with the vents all blacked out. They come chrome from Rolls Royce. The front end is really where it's at with this beast. As you can see, the full bumper has been changed. You got the stars inside the headlights because this is a 2026 model. Yellow lady right here, Spirit of Ecstasy, has been painted to match. And then the signature art, the front grille, lower and top with the yellow guts. Looks insane on this car. You guys can't tell me this is not the nicest Phantom I've ever seen. Let's come with the forged carbon hood, obviously. It looks incredible with the black. Look at the yellow carpets down there. You got the Mansory forged carbon fiber, yellow everywhere there. Really, really nice. Check out the back seat. Again, all yellow. This is not mandarin orange where you guys are used to the orange. This is actually a mix of like yellow and orange, more like mustard, but my favorite color. You got the rear shades in the back. Awesome feature to have, obviously. And then obviously we lower the car to our specs. This is in low mode, so it goes up a little bit when you drive, so there's no rubbing. It is the right setup, completely flush. When you park it, you can lower it. Looks incredible. But yeah, again, this is all paint job, no wrap. Everything paint. Looks incredible. And it's gonna go over to Exotic Car Factory. Our buddies over there. They might sell it, they might keep it for themselves. I don't know. I would love to buy it, but can't afford it. But really, really sick Phantom. We have more Mansory builds in progress. We have more crazy stuff going on, so gotta get back to work. Yeah, I have a Ferrari.
Change the tires. Number 2.
Number 2.
Same kit.
Same kit. Same kit.
Doors 2.
These are $500,000+ cars that we're just.
Doors 2. The rear doors 2.
What does same kit mean?
Huh?
What does same mean? What does same?
Algo igual.
Algo igual. Look, 122 miles on the dash. Ooh, brand new. Red interior, black, pure song white. This is getting a full Venom kit. We're actually finishing up one right now, the first one. There's actually a second and third kit coming. This is gonna be, I think, the third one. I don't know which one we're doing first, but this one will be, it's gloss black, but we're gonna be probably doing a satin PVF, so it'll be a satin black Venom forged carbon fiber, and it's gonna have clean regular style wheels, black, nothing fancy there, but it's also gonna get an exhaust too. So I don't understand. We don't do that many pure song ways. Nobody really does. And then also in 3 with complete body kits back to back. Only at RDB you will see that happen. It's insane. So not only that, we have like at least 6 or 7 Cullinans getting body kits too in this year already. So we gotta get to work, guys.
This is the finalization of this Cullinan. So we're just waiting for wheels on this thing. It came back for maintenance. We did a lot of maintenance on this car. Came out perfect actually. We have the new wheels on, 24-inch wheels. Looks amazing, and it's pretty cool because the wheel itself says "sell hats" all around the wheel, which is pretty cool. Sorry, says "I sell hats" actually. So all around the wheel says "I sell hats," which is pretty amazing. Looks good actually. This style looks good. Color looks good. Gloss black. Lowered looks really good. This is it. The color looks great. Nothing else you can do to this car. I think it looks brilliant. It's kind of cylinder or cylinder?
Cilindre.
Cilindre? So we have a brand new beautiful Ferrari. I don't know how they pronounce it. 12 Cilindre, Cilindri, whatever. You get the point. This car is very damn nice. Okay, with white interior, white, black, yellow stripes coming down the seat, middle of the seat. Amazing gold Ferrari logo on the headrest. This combination is crazy. It looks and feels and smells better when you're here. So when you're in it. So this car is immaculate. I love it. It's here for just some basic stuff, nothing crazy. We're going to put some spacers to space out the rears a little bit. There's a little bit of rubbing on the inner part of the wheel, so we're going to space it out a little bit and give it that aggressive look, and also protect it from rubbing and touching. Same thing in the front. As you guys can see, it's very close everywhere, so we're going to have to do some modifications, customize the front to make sure that this car is driven however it wants to be driven without rubbing front or back. It's got a wide stance. It looks crazy. It looks huge when you're in front of it. Yeah, I mean, it's an amazing car. You guys can see how it looks like from the front to the back. There's nothing, I mean, you can say bad about this car. That's it for this one. All right, we have a beautiful Cullinan here. Unfortunately, this car had a little bit of a accident. Thank God it's nothing really crazy, but still, on a nice car like this, when you see that, it hurts. So we are going to go ahead and replace the bottom side of the car. You guys see how it's broken there. Also, we have some other pieces that are damaged. You know, right behind that, right above that carbon, we have another piece that's damaged, which is here. So this cannot be repaired. It's pretty deep. Along with this here is bad, and also we got a little bit of bumper damage as well. We're going to fix. So we're gonna have to go fix all these things. It looks really minor, but it's really costly, and I paint again.
He's gonna have to paint it again.
You're gonna have to paint again. Yeah. And also on this car, customer request, we're gonna have some lights here. Right now, actually the grille is lighting up in yellow, kind of yellowish color, so we're gonna take that out and we're gonna put like a clear white color, so the whole grille lights up along with these bottom pieces here. So we'll have everything lit up, and that's about it for this one.